Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. What is 0.666? So, ibig sabihin nito, repeating yung 6 natin to fraction. So, our review for today is all about converting yung ating decimal numbers na merong repeating digit siya. So, tulad nito, 6 yung atin into fraction. So, paano bang ginagawa natin doon? Okay? So, quick tip lang. So, una natin gagawin dyan is to extract yung ating number na nagre-repeat. So, in this case, etong 6 yung nagre-repeat. Meron naman na siyang palatandaan itong parang bar sa taas niya. Ibig sabihin siya yung repeating na digit or yung number. So, extract natin siya. So, we have 6. And then, i-divide natin siya ngayon sa 9. Okay? So, ang technique dito, kung ilang digits yung ating nasa numerator, ganun karaming 9 din yung nasa ating denominator. So, in this case, since isang digit lang yung 6, isang 9 lang din yung nasa baba. Sa ibang problem natin or kapag naka-encounter kayo ng ganitong problem din pero mas maraming digits, let's say kung meron tayong 3 digits na nagre-repeat, so tatlong 9 din dapat yung nasa denominator niya. And then ngayon, meron na tayong 6 over 9. All we need to do is to simplify this. Okay? So 6 divided by, ano ba ang common factor ng 6 and 9? That is 3. So divide natin ang numerator and denominator by 3. So we have 6 divided by 3, that is 2, over 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So our answer is 2/3, which is letter C. So for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.